360 enen so yatena se minimia odene ho yeba abedi enkomo se ne da bia ye no na ene ye enkomo no sonko esanse ene ye de Councillor Lutrox ye put no in perspective odene ho
Osugani
ene so ma akwa badi
yeja
ene sene ene program no etie no ene ye hwe Councillor Lutrox
Councillor
Lutrox we say it's a Councillor Udros so say be no was any na ene ye hwe Councillor Lutrox ba me gidi say watieti Councillor ne nsam ni bi na ntini emputu ni nsam no kakra na wati ni emputu in perspective. Let's bring some of the because meaning say Zadi Kamel ho asem ebaye ama Councillor ebe kan bi Ekuapin Polo asem ebaye ama Councillor ebe kan bi bad girl na Fisa so any Councillor on radio so as I say so the radio na Dani TV so when you put all those things together you monitor fan yen shade
you let me say me na make no on say Councillor is somebody that people come to you and then they get their healing so na me nim the kind of Councillor oye say so ba radio so a wo hwe nkofo a oya ono mbetena say atem didie ne doso dodo
okay
odi atem na wo yedimi fo na mebo na mebo wa so na na Fisa de o se na Fisa obabu no obeyese
o se na Fisa ennim na se
no obro no ho a no obabu no sum na meyese on say if you realize nkofo problem and until we Councillor
yes
yemfa atiatia any ehunehuna na yede tie obi haw onipa kwa no nim so wo haw ntine na wo de akorokoro ene nkasade ena obetim de obetim kwa na samase
kra no say bagya na Fisa e compose ne ho some of the old trans
obi ono ko so ya ko ja no anase sabi ka wo di na atem say no kono so be di atem ni bi ba me no Damienim no kreni sa na Fisa no me nim no enye Councillor asem kwa ba nka because abaya me nim but I can tell you said after omo show no bebe pe abaya na sempa because me hu say abaya no oyobi a like o carry no ho to be comporting no kama so as
she did so well
did very well
so
who intimasam na say Councillor anya atem didie e na dey Councillor ti see asam me wo ha na ba wo ho no mo say mpesa me ne odi nkomo a o be didi matem
David
and that's one say ma woro me ho a say afuto na say o de ma me e atem didie e ho na me ne Councillor nya no and also just say be asam nsem bi o ka no no kremi bebre o no kro
ye be ba ho yes nsem na o ka na eye ni bi no ye be ba ho but ye wi na fe ya sheda ahwe Councillor nkasa the way ya operating na sefo but I say I will make a comment bi I say rape victims just omani eje ho say omani eje ho say like they in the course of we say no
Cyprus. Cyprus. Sasam kran keni sa wodeba. Sasam kran keni sa ukakra because sasam ne the most ebufu sama. Councillor nankasa no ho ebufu dada. Oh yes. Councillor nankasa no ho ebufu dada because nsem bia o kana ayatem didie.
Okay.
What I say? You are supposed to be counseling people. You are not supposed to be insulting them.
Yes.
And to nankasa nsem na o kada nankasa ebufu. Mamu example, if you have polo akwaye bone.
Yes.
Bone akokoye ne ne nim se okay, ade akokoye wa anye ne yi. De na ye no. Akwalaye bone a ye tia no, ne ye tia no say. Besides you are a Councillor, you are not the parent.
Yes.
What I said. And know when society is dealing with the person, you as a Councillor no, you don't deal with the person that way.
But say Councillors also a part of the society.
Or a part of the society. Until o kan wa some no but they won no ye no. Akwa say or think of what them to I don't know to get fame or sa on say na tem didie ni sa nyama nyama no na aye na nkofo kan no onti no en na ma okokoye mistake ko ka say rape victims no sometimes no ana omo enjoy totally wrong absolutely wrong bra trauma na nkofo komu no hwe ebi no wona e be report mo e dey tune edition mo so ebi wona dey second edition mo so ebi wona mo a maltreatment hwe oba ana nkofo ka say rape omu say no say what chere oba do so abonachi no wo oyere mpo say no kata so wabre ontumi ne onya bibia na say o miemia na say kwana fam na on nda wo repu no eno kra that one alone kra on trauma nipa ko fam it no ahode masa wanye ni wanka ni but enam say o pekasa bebe ni ntino or pekasa too much instead of him to come back and then retract what he said and apologize said this is not what the intent was no he was talking more on one side answer
but so what they apologize
master when you explain something is not apology
but sir
explanation is not the same explanation is not apology
program no mo here no it was a whole program. And then somebody just speak a minute of the whole program, and that was where the person's interest was.
That is why
Obia that 1 minute kasano. I say you take him out of
kasano kasana so kasa too much. And tinka akoba na say na nipa ko na yi 1 minute no what are you supposed to do?
Yeah.
Ubeba na wa ba check semu aba be mark akoretin ko for say oh asmesi asma me kan ni na nie demos wo yi ha na waka de na me nchechim na tirem wi wo tirem wi na apa ho chew say empo no obi a me kan anya de no me pese me tere say betimi arepu whatever the man said no as akwa say oh sisi ana you okay so betimi arepu
oh really
oh yeah na do kan asma on kan say they enjoy
but o make a point be say there are some people Sebi ya to omumuna omu to omumuna no omugusu ni omu relationship no based on that and a collection of information so far regarding that particular act no and am about that way say
me say so akwala bi wo ho no ma ye to no mo na otumukum nipa o na se me no ye tikuru ma ye hu da obetimi to obi mo na ye chiri tum forever obetumi to obi mona ma akwala no onye odo bia fa man be ma bia no diewu yetumi to obi mona e ma nipa kontumi kono maduro no wawu obi kwa de ahoma okosa akonfo no wawu enti imagine omo fare no mantimi anko police station omo suro se nipa na oto omo mona no kwasa bo omo kokko se hey so wonni na obo ma no papa ma na okko police station na mekun ma no papa no maka omo no atum no na wa we as a councilor na nko betimi enye gidie bi wo mu se wo de me bebo amane a
so abetna TV
so TV so ala keke sanse mu ya wo sha wo mani pakro no afei unse ase wo bu na bam de ka bu na bam afei oni gidie bi akra wo bia mu because wo na ya councilor nke se onye gidie wo mu se ade we ato me no se mantimi ambo obi amane because of say nipa kon se me ko bo obi amane mewu ara obekumi a wo de mbeka kire wa bia wo mo obi ahu obefa kwan bi so obenya rechiche bi wo mu obefa kwan bi so ayeden aboa no amba nipa ko yetimi ache wo atum but you are the person I can say etimi ka asem kire wa sisi awon so asem ayo ka akire wi o say omo ye okay sabi be ma fa omo a aya na eyo omo say omo de
you don't say that amunam na wo dwane aba na wa oba ho nchen no afina
you don't say that that's absolutely wrong. And let me tell you, assembly wanna say wrong,
wrong, yeah. Yeah.
1 + 1, you say 2. Untimi in terms 1 + 1 and AI say 2. And I can say AI say 1.5. No, 1 + 1 is 2. Councillor someone can totally wrong. Whether it was taken from a small portion of the whole program or whatever it is, as long as one making a look like say obi a repu ni bia no okay. And as I say obi a repu ni bia no ono kra also ti there. And today, you don't even say that.
Now, Otino, I tell you, concern say, I had no who say counselor. Sometimes the way I na counselor Casano, I say, like he's possessed. I say some spirit to be abishini.
Oh no,
no. Most often I am
only spirit. We are only spirit. Only who?
And only the same yes. Also, you know, man, human being.
Only koto, masa. Only koto. They do come jam work only be. Only who?
Masa onye like onye nipa
only she basa only she hunu kwa oni koto councilor ni hwe odi obi a me say on tumi kro ntu njana mammo we asema na wo kai just because only she adenti ena enipa bi wo ho no say oye bone na ye kan on say na say na sabi e ba yan confo so on fi radio so yi akese obi akese otenase no na oka you say this is something that should let you know say demonic attack we demonic attack
they say demonic attack
be any baby I tell usuba na anye because you are deviating from the definition of a counselor. Counselor, and my counselor say ojeno, and a counselor ye ni mo say aye omo ye no. Wo deviate afi ho no mo. And no tell man ko for kan wasem say the way wo kan wasem no. Ka bra ne say. Hwe I don't know, maybe that's his way of getting his fame. What I say. But even if that's your way of getting fame, there are ways of doing that. Like say, who man be drunk say rape victim is rape poor, or sometimes you enjoy it. You know you won't say that. And as I said, to say the okasa, no, I am a boy soon and I may yesterday no attempt the day. No. What kind of counselor is that? Who counselor office not counselor and counselor ye na by definition no. Who come office say no more.
It's just and
that's what my radio say no more.
Na kwa say a man for counselor ye nyini free videos ni TV so no no way adwen a.
Me da bi no mo ya adwen.
Wow.
Oh yeah, me no mo ya adwen.
Odina ho. Senya beginning ye wo kan ye counselor den a ne niam bi wo a wo ya. Yeah, because ye hwe senya ti say bad girl na fi say dey a ye kan ye. Won say the way our can do not didie ewo. But who say otimi condemn that particular act
because must you insult to make your point?
It is to say no that what we are doing is we are picking on say the negative side is there. It the positive side is ewo. We hear oni Nikisamona's program ya oye ya. We should the way our kasa ye condemn at bia any ye culture no and then he put everything in perspective. I think the one thing I like about that we say or can say a man on psyche whatever the suggestion was for people to cite themselves as far as that program was concerned. No? It was neither here nor there. It's in the most important we say is a man and psyche and psyche no greatly depends on a man the way I carry and then so we share our rear and then only your bano started at a very point in time we won't say we're dining home then you may be call back. Or we say bia excuse my language say bia who call outsider. Obi timi chase no ne the outside omo friend side chick. On the side chick na kwa koye den. Akoko ntokwa. Forgetting say say one one person looking at ono ho. Na enyema bia go back no or put two things together. So counselor was able to put this in perspective. I can go on and on. Ekwatin polo asemobaye oputu no in line. Zandi Kamel asembaye oputu. So I can give you a number of cases a bar or kabi and he says it in a right. I think say the program back so or yeah so inspiring. The conference now or orgasm conference because say we share ma bebre me obi amene ma din komo pa ma sometimes you know omo coming out of omoself ebeka what they are going through as far as our limu and that is concerned obi enrich that peak obi enrich that peak that but me program no all year orgasm conference things or no every year and other programs are is able to help people. Are we not overlooking this aspect and just focusing on the negative one, trying to say because he is human, he cannot be perfect.
Bruh.
Yes.
Cyprus.
Yes.
Cyprus.
Yes, Nana.
Okay. Also, my dinner meeting. Me say, yan kasa ni nyama o ye ni na enye. Na denti ena de bia no o kan obi asema ese odidi nipa kona sam porto ti say me ni wo kasa yi na ka bedidi na tem porto just to make my point emphasis ben na woso. How do you think people will look at me as a person? Me your panels am ti hanu yi ufi say den na nkofo kwa beka afa me ho eno saso ena ye kasa so person make you point o person wo kan won sam bi o person wo ye nema bi aye din kan ne hu say ensam bi wo hono ma wo kan very sensitive to people. Share your friend say obi ekokoyi ne dross ewo your friend say COVID TV wo kan ho asam yi wo hu yes nipa ko ne ye no wa nye ni ye enya ha na oba bedidi na tem na wa nye na ye ntiti wo fie na ye masa onye nipa ko na ma nye ne papa technical won't mean kasa asam fan chiro bi si atete wo fie o chale asam no ne ke emodo aya kwa asante me ko kasa atete no kotre asante fo
but odino ho so so nyi ni se nsema ya because onipa ne ba bontia enema obeye no it shows how the person was brought up from the home.
That is why you are a counselor. You are a counselor because when you saw this, what you man said, onipa kona ebe kasa. But enye se onipa obedi nipa kona atem. Atem didie. And the way gun kofo ni mu ase no. Enye sa na counselors. Me nim so mo ye. Enti na me ka say, me nim the kind of counselor o ye. Enti ka me nim dia, na ka me hu. Enye sa the counselor ye nyina ye nim no ye nim kwan mo fa so a omo no kofo kasa. So what ma say? Enti bibi ti say, bia your friend is saying asem bia ba na say ye ka ho asem ti say aban ya onu ni kokoshi ya date rush ya aban or TV money onu so TV money. Wo because why am obi ehun say na wote e asem na aba na mu ka ho asem na say sabio odi akomapa ene akrokoro e be kire say ampa o ye counselor no you are not doing that. Instead no who intimidate. Instead no who did them. Instead no you are looking down upon women. Wouldn't say or some kind or look down on women.
Yeah.
What I say?
And that could you say the kind said they be anonymous ma enyantokwan.
They be anonymous ma enyantokwan. Wow, because he's always looking down on women. Say enti. Ada ma de ogun ni pa na. Eh? E ma ogun ni pa. And then una oba na so ba na we say sometimes you also remember we have to play a lot of we have to play roles in marriage and other stuff. So what I say, but I won't say no cry out the me fair into it. Me the me master say, I own share as some no can say how sensitive as some here and son our twas no can say. I said they be say na we ha koye. And I say, oh yeah, there's no one ye. Na say Ghana for tenase. No mo kan wasema. Onjin tum no mpacho.
No mpacho.
Afeyin so to say the work in the money be on no can. Yerim say eye.
Yeah.
Wo nanso no wonni nkan didi atama sa be kan san papa esa ko ge zeu
wa say asem no
yeah akwat ze mpese me kata say Cyprus sabe onzo me no ka say unia ade bi ho a wo ya nya kra nemum onzo maka nice we me ndi do atem say Cyprus na what to say na Cyprus na say na afemi de futo no beto so ovizo betie untie enso e bia na ka futo no ka ba boa enti na me kata say counselor de wodwuma no no onni atem odi akomato yem na odi mani pakro na wacha no kwan obefa so next time obaya enkofa sa ne wanba hwade sa we na make say me no mo ya adwen say e be nyina fi radio so na TV stations no odi ndentia minim acts ewo ho
okay
minim emra omo asese afa radio stations ewo Ghana but if there is any of them emra bi wo ha ya asese ewo ho e betimi e de atwe na so a omo mfa ntwe na so being say o say asotwane radio say mu ni fiso a na fatana omo fama no say asotwane ye asotwe ye said man 1 week on my radio so a omo fama no so what I say enti no that one would depend on emra wo ho o nsem ye kan radio so so what I say ese bi wo no ma papa na kan ye
but you say oba se be eja ne nan egu wona so a in twantwe so what I say and a radio no so ye woni ma bibre ekọ so radio no so a ene ye nyimfiri so and I say ye wo kan act and I think say e very important we see etna say na ye hwe say act bi e wo ho say because
I think say me nanse mu me ida say me widi ya na say me tie obi ana o kan say e
but odene ho me dia ni say on say wo hwe counselor no wo liberal thought so what I say and then I believe say or your counselor or say reverend enti no say anyway say okasa on perspective okasa or your counselor or say reverend counselor is as well in the entertainment industry and I believe say you know that and
of course we know that
it is a radio so and I say TV so na so okasa operating from certain angles so and then he has in mind say no that he has in mind say he is serving a lot of people and people are also woman do na obi a won temperament nana ye wo choleric e wo ho ye wo phlegmatic e wo ho and ye wo melancholy e wo ho and ye san wo sanguine e wo ho
na say na therefore the form ho
nana
melancholy ni we nte masa mo be di obi aka anse mo ke melancholy ni hwan ko
therefore no enti ase
enya coli ni ye ka say onja atam didi
na me ka say ono
no on fa nyansan fanto nsam na o ka no say when the matter is sensitive you don't masa
nana ye no crow but the me person from certain different levels, and he's trying to serve all people. Nana de ba ko ni say
say omuma no omaya hu say ense bi ho a oka ne atamdidi no enye
nana say ya setting that one they are setting in perspective, but ade ba ko so ni say na me ka say all several other people say nana I don't want to sound a certain
no mo no kwa na kwa edidi nkofo atam sa
ada ya ka ho asem but ye hwe say ne radio na omo ka say yenyini free so no any the way
omo nchina so because all say come ha radio station TV station omo kan sem na nya omo ankasa automatically omo resign
na say nyeni nyina nye nyina
na say kro omo che uni bebre uni no pa uni omo ye they sit back when people tell them say we the anko yi no omo jai show no be say 3 months bi no omo say legal stuff be say omo ono mo ye dey ho so what I say because asem no kan wan kan ye masa say wo hwe na wo yi wanu ye na Ghana de onipa no ba no beka se wo kan bia basa na okọ na enso eja no
sisi ya hwatem de die ne hu senye councillor ensesa ne ways ena ma na de bia oni omko ni de
onya ma amini de takwa do ko no
but yenim se ne nsem na oka no ebi ye to maintain him on radio se ne be ya emprofo be to me still enya because nana ye se ne okonsuo no ono ne bohina eti ne se ne ya ono ene ba radio so betina se kasa no ono a na ye dan a bibi free na numa ba enye itano ne ye kasa sansam na ya o kan se gbese bi eni se ni mu a aya na o ma gbese na no emrase na on to no bo ase na on kasa yi but ade ba akonso ne se ne be ya because he's in the entertainment industry no a obetimi a serve a whole lot of people no enunti na ya money operate from different angles it se ne be ya ankofo so betina se no they should know say the councillor most often operate from different angles in order to serve people. On say na obi o ho na say wo kasema e say wo hitting hard e say wo hitting hard into obi a hard shim obi e me kai say me professor of literature na mu kan poem na se du ba bi na se point bi o abunso why say nche so nipa na ye den wa hate it sometimes no e say o hate sometimes ni bi o so e say wo ye no boko sometimes obi o ha e say wo ye ni entertaining to wo hwa na nsem ni bi o ha na odi waye ni joke bi enti no bon se wakasa ma na watwa so na wa boni phone number wakasa na watwa so na wasere in a certain way enti no say operate from so many angles in order to serve at least yes
operate from angle bi opebia yes opanko operate from Jupiter ombra opanko operate from Mars Pluto no problem whatever he thinks he's doing in order to make sure that people will feel secured and people will be eased with their problems no sana ye enunti eno no anka se be ways and means our fast or betimi aye na djuma yan sa
yes
so what defending na wie
I'm not defending. No.
Master, I'm
not defending.
Who person cancel the atom?
Maybe point in say.
Oh, master. What's the cancel the atom?
Fino munyi free radio need
to know. It's operating from different angles. Yes, sir. Say all operating from different angles. Yati ase. On canon and power person oka. Na mom no so oka say, oh, the all canon na we ne. Na so person say angle na operative finito di atama ye
na da bi won se yeso utu ajamuafo no
oh bra
ne fo na utu ajamuafo enti ni councillor ne niema ni bia oye na enye no yaka but me we say ni say to take the man out of radio TV no that is not something we should go
munia open my comment Nikki show you so I think the Nikki show say but show baby o go akaka bebrebe ya Okakasa and almost comment. Omuka comment, Obi Kasa, oh, councillor, may I say, one man said, or senior comment here. He said it. Or per comment I had controversial. Which means why on Ankasa why cycling was said, or person didn't comfort them to gain some kind of relevance. And what I'm saying is this as also cycle on your council and part and different. Tibasam new, Sankonia councillor and different. And people will see you say you are a controversial person who talks on radio, or maybe a controversial person be and go for invite no council. But once you are a councillor, no, or once you've taken that title as a councillor, no, it means you don't have to be coming here to be insulting people because these are the same people that you're supposed to help. Wow. The same people you're supposed to help, no, you are insulting them.
No, who says you win our kind talk of a controversial, who will be on pay praises. And to know be like or you be on person be praising, but a person who did the other side of Nia or yeah.
Oh, Master, no. You cannot tell somebody who want to comment on something or about something.
On what to say.
So, on what to say. Me na person me comment also me can't say me fa praises them fan bro, and I mean can negative. I don't know. No, pana or program no. And what you say. Most of you comment, bro. I don't believe me comment, bro. You are telling me to me for controversy.
So you don't determine what comment people should.
You can't tell me what. So you see what I'm saying, you know. So I don't know. He just want to get some kind of relevance. It's like yes, I know. It's me say it was a planned or premeditated statement that man making.
So he is striving on
premeditated statement na councillor making by saying say rape victims. Omo enjoy say report more. A premeditated statement. Premeditated. Because so obi mbema comment. Now catch me say you don't need praise, but you want controversial here. Which means when you were coming from your house, you propose over the controversial statement so that people will talk about it.
You are only driving on controversy.
Exactly. That is the meaning. So I feel what I say. We are not going to buy that. He has to respect our women. He has to respect our women.
And that's what we're so.
No. But other people in Ghana now on your own is our Ghanaian women. You have to respect them. No one just say rape victims or the controversial to gain whatever relevance you want to gain. No, a soldier on time chuku on tonobo
no cancer.
No cancer pana yankweni. Charlie, Casla on Casla Ghana. Who's any Caslas or Ghana? As a man, okay.
You nana
oh chat program no
the city no say yes say catch council but be am then say o catch council say on time chuku ni councilor nana say time chuku
on time chuku on like no under premeditated nyoma na oya because say o ma ehun say sir comment now make you say on paper of a controversial comment no ama be kura ma hu say ani etifo asada no mo hwe sa show no say San or battle be cannon sama or said I general home or Abacan.
Also on meaning
Uncle one can't be said, Mammy praise, name mammy controversial comment. I then present commented also Uber term the Menka, which means often fear on your premeditated that you say, or so I can say, oh, my repumono, more enjoy, send a bear, Uncle Fubina Wasamaka, premeditated. Master.
Yo, at your 4 years before you damasi say unya bre ehwe na ene sane na ahitini ntino ene ye din komono ebisi ha say na emrepam ye besa transi na
I'm coming to me koson kabi
etini a ye pese ye ka kire woni say ye din komo ene ye kire ya adwen so akwanya say wo be kire wa adwen etino kire wa adwen e wo comment section ho na ye keep conversation no alive sane da bia me sign out na minimia odene ho and I yet not see Dean Common and Mrs. Somidiani Cyprus. Call me Cyprus and I will tell you to go get your dream. And don't forget teamwork, makes the dream work. Stay safe.